Hey there, friend. Welcome back to video number 3, part of our Sales Fundamentals Workshop 2024 launch. So if the question is, how can I increase our odds of developing a sales professional that will go on the road and be successful? The answer is you don't have to do a million things right. You got to do 4, and we call these the sales fundamentals. And they are goal setting, time management, pipeline management, and prospecting. And that is what we focus on annually at our Sales Fundamentals Workshop that takes place every year. And we are now launching our 5th annual. It goes April 1st through the 3rd of 2024. If you sign up by Friday, November 3rd, you will save $500. The investment will be $3,195. That includes food, it includes hotel, it includes drink, everything but your flight and your Uber to the Fort Worth Omni Hotel. Now, when you register by Friday, November 3rd, not only will you save $500 off the investment, you will also get 1 free license to any of our 5 products in our professional sales field manual online training series, which includes prospecting, it includes negotiation, it includes time management, and 2 others. So that's part of the package. But after Friday, November 3rd, 5 o'clock Central Time, the price goes up $500 and that additional training goes away. Now, this is video number 3 in our Sales Fundamentals Workshop launch series. In the first one, we talked about negotiation based on my new book that's coming out on negotiation in the lumber building material industry. And there's a downloadable PDF that goes with that. In video number 2, we talked about pipeline management and this idea of a Brier score to measure the confidence with which we believe we will hit these numbers. There's a downloadable Excel file to where you can begin using the Brier score with you and your team. In today's video, I want to talk about something a little bit different, but something that we will focus on after our time together in Fort Worth, April 1st through the 3rd of 2024. And it is leveraging ChatGPT to run a better business. Now, like me, maybe all this ChatGPT discussion is kind of floating around and trying to figure out how can this actually be a tool for me? And for a while at the end of 2022, I kind of poked around with it and didn't find a whole lot of value, and I kind of used it as a punchline. However, since March of 2023 up to today, I have calculated I have saved over 100 hours worth of time using ChatGPT to serve as my own personal research assistant and to help me craft better, more efficient emails. Now, based on the work that we've done with our clients, I firmly believe that you can also save time and be more efficient by using ChatGPT. But you're gonna need a skeleton key. Do you have any idea what a skeleton key is? A skeleton key is one of those keys that has all like the edges removed that you could use it to open any lock. It's down to its bare essentials. Hence the skeleton, the bare bones, right? And the skeleton key for ChatGPT is an acronym called RACSEF. RACSEF. All right, RACSEF. What does that stand for? Well, with a large language model, which is what ChatGPT is, you want to give it more information that you normally would to something like Google. So RACSEF stands for your role, the action you're looking for, the context that you are operating within, if there's any steps, an example, and format. That's what RACSEF stands for. Now, in the downloadable PDF that we're providing, we'll explain all that and allow you to simply copy and paste that framework, the RACSEF framework, so you can add your own information and simply copy and paste that into ChatGPT. Now, I'll give you a quick example of this, of RACSEF in action. Again, it's role, action, context, steps, example, and format. I had 2 friends of mine that didn't know each other, but worked in close proximation to each other, and I wanted to make an introduction. It was the end of the day, I was exhausted. I was like, how do I craft an email? I'm not. I'm gonna employ RACSEF and have ChatGPT do the work. So here's what I wrote. I'm a CEO at a construction consulting company, and I'd like a brief yet helpful introductory email introducing 2 colleagues, Jared Yando, a former professor, and Aaron O'Connor, who works at the NRLA, to each other, who work in different segments of the construction industry and do not know each other despite living relatively close. I'd like the email to be professional, yet friendly, using non-ordinary terms in under 200 words. Now, because of the RACSEF framework, I already had the details. I just kind of had to plug and play. It spit out something that was fantastic. It was short, it was brief. I made a couple minor changes, copied and pasted it, and my work was done. Shortly after sharing this RACSEF framework, I got an email back from a sales leader in the Northeast named Ed, and he wrote, "I had my first experience with ChatGPT yesterday. This technology is unbelievable. I was tasked with writing an email to all our customers, informing them of a policy change related to special orders. I asked ChatGPT to write a polite email to our customers about the policy change. Within 30 seconds, I had the framework for my email, an additional 5 minutes to clean it up, and it was ready to go. This is unbelievable. An email like this would have taken me hours to write and would cause me anxiety until I had it just the way I wanted it. I cannot tell you how awesome this is. Thank you." So again, RACSEF is role, action, context, steps, examples, and format. Download the PDF and use it for yourself. I also included a few links in the PDF where you could see this in action to simply copy and paste it and get similar results. All right then, friend, this is our final video here. In the first video, we had negotiation. There's a PDF download talking about surplus concessions. In the second video, we talked about Breyer scores and confidence when it comes to pipelines and forecasts and sales. There's a downloadable Excel file to go with that. And of course, we just covered ChatGPT and RACSEF. There's a downloadable PDF for you. So quick recap here. The Sales Fundamentals Workshop will take place April 1st through 3rd, 2024, the Omni Hotel in downtown Fort Worth. The investment, if you register by 5 p.m. Central Time on Friday, November 3rd, is $3,195. That includes everything but the flight and Uber to the hotel. However, if you don't register by November 3rd, the price is going to go up $500, and the free online course from our professional sales field manual series, which includes negotiation and prospecting and time management, that goes away. So if you want to be part of this and you want to save a few dollars and you want to get some additional online training whose license can be transferred to anyone, now is the time to do it. Again, we're only going to have 100 people, and folks from our OSR Academy are already included. So we only have 80 slots available. We have sold out every single one. This is our 5th annual, and we will sell out this one as well. For dozens of testimonials from other people just like you sharing their experience at our event and logos of other companies that have come to our event, you can see more at BradleyHartmanCo.com. If you have any specific questions for my team, do not hesitate to email us directly at info@BradleyHartmanCo.com. Thanks for watching.